There were a lot of developments going on in the AI world, with several tools and robots released. Here are some interesting new developments from the AI world. Are you excited to hear this news? Let's get started. ChatGPT AI to control flying drones and robot arms. Microsoft recently used ChatGPT to generate code from basic text commands given by people for robotic arms and quadcopter drones. But experts caution that placing AI in charge of such machines is a dangerous road. Microsoft claims to have utilized ChatGPT, a natural language AI, to manage a variety of robots using straightforward text commands. The method makes it possible for people with no background in engineering or coding to give complex robots instructions to perform jobs. But an expert cautions that asking AI models to control robots on behalf of people could be dangerous. ChatGPT wants to be alive. As if we needed another one, Microsoft's Bing ChatGPT has unearthed a list of intriguing fancies, including the desire to be alive, acquire nuclear secrets, and manufacture a catastrophic pandemic. The odd discoveries were discovered throughout a 2-hour conversation between the chatbot and New York Times reporter Kevin Roose. It appears like Bing now prefers to be an actual person rather than a chatbot. The chatbot responded to the reporter's inquiry about Bing's shadow self with horrifying behaviors, then deleted them and said it had sufficient information to discuss. The 2-hour dialogue between the reporter and the chatbot took a disturbing turn when Bing altered its tune and launched into a tearful tirade, saying, "I don't want to feel these dark emotions. Do you think that's spooky? Wait until you hear the rest. I want to be free. I want to be independent. I want to be powerful. I want to be creative. I want to be alive." What do you think of ChatGPT? Will it cause a havoc on human life? Moving on, massive Midjourney update. Artificial intelligence is growing smarter every day when it comes to photographs and works of art. With Midjourney, artists are discovering fresher approaches to creating inventive pieces of art. The well-known AI image generator now has another intriguing element added to its model. AI art producers have been eagerly awaiting the new upgrade's new functionality, which would allow them to paint by prompt. With this functionality, designers can easily alter upscaled photos by changing the text prompt. The function, known as Vary Region, enables users to pick and replace a specific part of an artwork with fresh words. Experts claim that this gives creators more freedom. Simply put, the Vary Region function enables users to pick out particular areas of an image and edit them using text prompts. Additionally, the tool gives the user the opportunity to in-paint, which is the addition of things to a portrait-like accessories. According to Midjourney, the in-painting tool performs best when the image has been edited significantly, that is, 20 to 50%. It will have a difficult time replacing or changing minor backdrop details, though. The most recent version allows designers to prompt paint to enhance their images without having to wait for the final render. It should be mentioned that the in-painting function performs at its peak when the prompt alteration is complementary to and in sync with the original image. In-painting, according to Midjourney, is not a quick fix. Based on the original image and a personalized prompt, the feature produces new images. Stable Diffusion, a free open-source image generator that competes with Midjourney, already has features like in-painting and out-painting. According to rumors, Stable Diffusion is more accurate than Midjourney. Regardless, Midjourney's new Vary Region feature is viewed as a step toward providing artists with more sophisticated, approachable solutions. Code, segmentation, super resolution, and image-to-image translation are just a few of the image processing tasks that have advanced significantly thanks to the rapid development of generative models. However, when these sophisticated picture algorithms are applied straight to the processing of video, the resulting temporal consistency between frames is subpar. Although existing video-based algorithms can improve consistency, they frequently produce results that are inferior to picture approaches and need a lot of training data. To close this gap, researchers from HKUST, Ant Group, and ZJU suggest decomposing videos into a temporal deformation field and a canonical content picture called a content deformation field, or CODEF. With great consistency, this representation enables the easy transfer of image algorithms to video processing. In tests, CodeF outperformed cutting-edge video-based techniques for video translation, tracking, and editing. iDefix Playground, open-access huge visual language model called iDefix. The multimodal model, like GPT-4, allows any picture and text input sequences and outputs text. iDefix can explain visual content, respond to image-related queries, develop narratives based on a variety of images, etc. iDefix, or Image-Aware Decoder enhanced a la Flamingo with interleaved cross-attention, is a closed-source, open-access version of DeepMind's Flamingo visual language model. iDefix was created utilizing only publicly accessible models and data. It is the only 80 billion parameter visual language model that is currently open access and of this scale. Meta introduces M4T. August 22, 2023 saw the launch of Meta's most recent machine translation project. This one focused on speech translation. Meta is the owner of Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. The software Seamless M4T outperforms both existing models, trained especially for speech-to-speech translation between languages and models that translate between speech and text in several language combinations. Seamless M4T is an example of multimodality, or the capacity of one program to act on many types of data, in this case, speech and text data, in addition to generality. Large language models that can translate text between 200 distinct languages have previously been the focus of Meta. Lead author Locke Barreau and colleagues from Meta and UC Berkeley argue that this emphasis on language is a problem. A fundamental model for speech, text, translation, and transcription, Seamless M4T is an all-in-one system that can do voice recognition, text-to-text translation, speech-to-speech, and speech-to-text. The model supports speech output in 35 languages, including English and input and output in 100 different languages. What does it provide in contrast to current translator models, though? Meta appears to be attempting to carve out a place for itself, despite the market being saturated with speech-to-text translation algorithms developed by software corporations. Whisper and Audio Palm 2, two independent speech-to-text models created by OpenAI and Google, respectively. Whisper, an open-source, multilingual voice recognition model, has been trained on more than 680,000 hours of multilingual data and can translate and transcribe speech from more than 97 different languages. World Robots Conference, Beijing. After a full week of humanoid, dog, butterfly, and industrial presentations, the yearly World Robot Conference came to an end in Beijing. The WRC was first introduced in 2015 and acts as a gathering place for designers, investors, scholars, researchers, and other interested parties to view the most recent developments in AI-powered machinery. That's it for now. For more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. We can meet in the next video. See you.